Question number 11. To understand how temperature change affects microorganism mediated cycling of soil nutrients in alpine ecosystems, Eva Kastovska et al. Collected plant soil cores in the Tatra Mountains at elevations around 2100 meters and transplanted them to elevations of 1700 to 1800 meters, where the mean air temperature was warmer by 2 degrees Celsius. Microorganism mediated nutrient cycling was accelerated in the transplanted cores. Crucially, microorganism community composition was unchanged, allowing Kastovska et al. To attribute the acceleration to temperature-induced increases in microorganism activity. It can most reasonably be inferred from the text that the finding about the microorganism community composition was important. For which reason? Is it A? It provided preliminary evidence that microorganism mediated nutrient cycling was accelerated in the transplanted cores. B. It suggested that temperature-induced changes in microorganism activity may be occurring at increasingly high elevations. C. It ruled out a potential alternative explanation for the acceleration in microorganism mediated nutrient cycle. D. It clarified that microorganism activity levels in the plant soil cores varied depending on which microorganism comprised the community. What we observe is that Eva Kastovska, she is collecting the plant soil cores at elevations around 2100 meters, and then she's transplanting them to elevations of 1700 to 1800 meters. Here the temperature is warmer by 2 degrees Celsius. So what's happening to the microorganisms? Microorganism nutrient cycling was accelerated. That means they are cycling the nutrients faster at these lower heights. And then crucially, microorganism community composition was unchanged. So the composition was unchanged, but the nutrient cycling was accelerated. All she is able to attribute the acceleration to is temperature-induced increases in microorganism activity. So there is an increase in microorganism activity, but the community composition was unchanged. So what we can infer from the text about the finding? So why is it important? So which should we choose? So if you said C, well done, that is the best answer. C is the best answer because it accurately describes why the finding about the microorganism community composition was important. The text describes an experiment and her team in which they collected plant soil cores at one elevation and then they transplanted them to a sites at a lower elevation, as I mentioned earlier. So here the mean air temperature was warmer. Kastovska and her team observed that microorganism mediated nutrient cycle was accelerated in the transplanted cores and that crucially microorganism community composition was unchanged. However, this microorganism community composition was unchanged. That is the crucial part, which allowed the team to attribute the acceleration to changes in microorganism activity brought about by the difference in temperature. So what does this imply? This strongly implies that the team wouldn't have been able to make that attribution otherwise, meaning that a change in microorganism composition represented another possible explanation for the acceleration that had to be ruled out. So the composition is not changing whether it is in higher height or lower height. For microorganism composition to change, some other reason is there, not the elevation. And A is incorrect. Although the text says microorganism mediated cycling of soil nutrients increased in the transplanted cores, this is unrelated to what's important about the finding, that the microorganism composition didn't change, that it allowed the team to attribute the change in activity solely to the change in temperature. B is incorrect. Although the text compares activity in one core at two different elevations, the text doesn't address changes in activity at various elevations over time. And D is incorrect. Although different microorganisms likely exhibit different levels of activity, the text indicates that there was no change in microorganism composition. And there is nothing in the text about different microorganisms having different activity levels. So the best answer is C.